Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's kick off with football. Sunday could be D-Day for Vere United and UAFC as their sojourn in the Red Stripe Premier League could come to an end following this weekend's matches. The two are 11 points from safety with 5 rounds of matches to go.
It has been a tough season for UE and Vere United. A season where they only managed to win 2 games apiece from 28 outings. And as each game passes by, the survival door keeps getting harder to push open. 50% of their games ended in defeat. They probably forgot what winning is like, as the last time they tasted victory was back in November against the team that they are chasing. UE got the better of Malines United 2-1 on November 17, and a week later Vere were 3-0 winners. Come Sunday, Malines could have the final laugh, as a victory for them over Harbourview could signal the final blow for the two if they fail to win. Vere will travel to Tivoli Gardens with the option of sink or swim. UE's task is no easier. They will host title holders Portmore United, who could find this match as the perfect opportunity to return to winning ways.
We're going to fight in the same way. We're not going to give up. We're not giving away any game. We're not giving up any points. Anybody beat us will have to beat us. When we lose, it's because we lost.
Every game for us is important. It doesn't matter where in the table you sit. The next game is always the most important one, and we'll treat it no different.
Elsewhere on the fixture, Dunbeholden will host third-place Humber Lion. Second-placed Mount Pleasant Academy will be at home to Cavalier. Arnott Gardens will host Waterhouse in the Monday night fixture.